fight anymore.
What, that I can get beat up easy and then quit? It's not balance, it's not real kung fu. You said that when life knocks you down, you can choose whether or not to get back up. Well, I'm trying to get back up, and why won't you help me? Yeah! Yeah!